Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Zoom camera upside down. If your camera view in Zoom looks flipped or not quite right, don't worry. This is usually a quick setting adjustment, and in this walkthrough we'll go through the exact process to help you correct it. Make sure Zoom is installed on your device and that your camera is connected and working before you begin. Start by opening the Zoom app. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options are available. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and access the app as you normally would. Next, open a sample meeting. This is helpful because it lets you preview your camera inside a meeting environment, so you can immediately see whether the image issue has been fixed. A sample meeting is a simple way to test your video without needing to join a live call with other participants. Once you are inside the sample meeting, look toward the bottom of the Zoom window and click the three-dot menu. This area contains additional meeting options that are not always shown directly on the main toolbar. If your controls are hidden, move your mouse slightly and they should reappear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open Zoom's meeting settings, where you can adjust different parts of your audio and video experience. Take your time here since there are several categories available. In the Settings window, click on Video. This section controls how your camera appears in Zoom, including the live preview of your image. You should now be able to see your camera feed and any available video-related options. Now click on Mirror My Video to turn it on. This setting changes how your camera preview is displayed and can help correct the way your image appears if it seems reversed or visually incorrect. As soon as you enable it, check the preview window to see whether the camera now looks the way you want. If the image looks correct, you're all set. If needed, you can leave the setting enabled while you continue using Zoom for future meetings. It's a good idea to test your camera one more time before joining an important call, just to make sure everything appears properly. That's it. By opening Zoom, launching a sample meeting, going into the More Options menu, selecting Settings, choosing Video, and turning on Mirror My Video, you can quickly adjust your camera view in Zoom. Thanks for following along, and your video should now be much easier to use in meetings.